What is up, you guys? Peter Carlo here, and today we're talking about Sofi. So, Sofi has started to double bottom down here at $900, but 900, geez, can you imagine? $9, not 900, but we are still within this downward trend. So, what I wanted to do in this video today was go over the support on Sofi, talk about if I plan to take it, and ultimately long term, if I think that this is a good price to be buying this company. So, hit the like button, subscribe. Check out our Discord community down below. Our goal in 2022 is to become the biggest and best free trading community out there. We're over 6,300 members strong. You guys get access to free courses, live stream seminars, webinars, as well as a ton of other amazing things. The link is in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Now, very, very volatile trading for Sofi over the past couple of weeks. But what you can realize is every single time we have moved between this channel, you could have had a really, really good put position or even bought down on this and tried to go against the grain. But overall, we have been moving down slowly within this range and looking at where we are right now. Some people have been asking me if this $9 support on Sofi is looking good. Now, the one thing that I will say here when it comes to Sofi is that there is no bullish divergence. So if I thought we were going to bounce here, one of the major things I would be looking for is the stock making a lower low, and then the RSI actually being up here like around 40 and then making a higher low with that. But instead, that's not what happened. Instead, we're actually going to make a lower low and making a lower low or equal low on the RSI. So in very short, I don't think we're going to bounce here. I think that there's probably a pretty good chance that we're going to see it drop down to about $8 within the next couple of weeks. But one thing I really, really like about Sofi right here is, number one, it's beaten to hell. Like I feel like if I wanted to go with a very, very speculative company for the long term that potentially could be like $165 a share or like zero, it would probably be Sofi, because I feel like it's the safest gamble type speculative investment. Some of you bulls might be a little pissed that I said that it's like a spec or like a gamble, but it definitely is. You know what I mean? There's a chance the company could go to zero in like 10 years. But at this very moment, I really like Sofi and I would be buying it long term. But the other thing I would like is selling cash secured puts. Implied volatility is massive right now. Volume is massive right now. Open interest is massive right now. So that's one of the things that I really like. Like March 18th, you could sell an $8 cash secured put, make a $14 return, which is about a 2% return. And then what I would personally be doing is selling cash secured puts, especially if you're a long-term or potential long-term investor in this, hoping to get filled. So what I'm thinking about doing is selling maybe like 50 to 100 cash secured puts against Sofi, maybe like $60,000, $70,000 worth on Sofi each and every single week, making about 1% to 2% return. And then worst comes to worst, end up filling on Sofi long term and averaging my way down into it. That's kind of my plan. But if you're trying to just straight up trade this, I would be very, very cautious, simply because we are under $10, which was the lowest we've ever seen. And it doesn't have to bounce, right? It doesn't. Like we could theoretically see this like $7. But ultimately, I hope this video helps, guys. I'll keep you posted if I take any trades. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next time. Peace.